Hey guys, it's VertiBox Gaming here, and today we're playing another round of Phantom Forces. So let's get into this. Phantom Forces by Stylus Space. Thank you to Stylus Studios. Shout out to them for making this game. Let's get into this, and then we will be playing Phantom Forces Episode 6. Okay. 1858 new army revolver. Okay. Ooh, Christmas case. Yippee! Let's go get this. We're about to be able to get the ballistic tracker on the Dragunov. So let's hope we win this and get a cage or a key that we really need. Go. Okay, first death of the game. We have 5 kills, 1 death. Let's do this. Dun 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 dun. Okay, we're winning by 4. Let's move on to enemy sidelines. Okay, we own this base. And let's find some more enemies. No. Okay. And there goes another enemy. Where are some more? Shout out to Party 3714, Takeaway, Equinox, Dayton 200511, Shadow of Darkness 1, Tag 147789, and Mad Twins, LJC8IGOY, Dan Coy 12534, Bob Bog WPO11, and 1 Kringley 0 for being on my team. Okay, so where are these enemies? What the freak? Where did that guy come from? Oh, whatever, I'm gonna go kill him. Okay, so if you guys are new to my channel, please like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and enjoy. No! Ah! Well, at least we have the base, though. At least that guy was at Tori's dead. Party time a toy! Let's get back over to the enemy sides. And get killed again. Deploy. Yes, we won! Dun 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 dun. Gangnam Style. Dun 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 dun. Gangnam Style. Dun. I think we have a case. I think we have a case key for this. Oh no, we don't. Dang it! Can't buy a case key right now. Okay, we have enough for the ballistic tracker. Let's go get it. Dun 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 dun. Stab on them. Ballistic tracker. 845 cash. Yes, please. Okay, let's go try this thing out on the battlefield like a big boy. Oh, yes, we got the good spawn on this map. Okay. Maybe. 4:45. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Yes. Ah! Yes! Yes, another kill! Another one bites the dust. And another one down, and another one down. Another one bites the dust. No! Dang it. Let's go find some more enemies. Let's try out this ballistic tracker. Hope you guys have been enjoying the past and previous videos. As I said, if you guys want me to play a certain game on Roblox, on other things, just leave it down in the comment below and I'll try it out on cam. If you guys want a shout out, just leave it down in the comments. Ah! What the heck? Where did you come from? Boy. No! Stupid crinkly face. Shout out the Shadow of Darkness for helping me. Yes, got him. Oh, it feels so good to have this. No. Ah, come on. Ah! No! Stupid crinkly! Okay, let's go find some more people. If you enjoy this content, leave a like on the video. Yes! Headshot! We got another headshot with the ballistic tracker. Kingdom style. Charge! Huh? Ah! What the heck? Where did he come from? No! I have 9 deaths, 8 kills. This is not good. Let's go get some headshots. Ah. Freak. No! If you guys enjoyed, leave a like on the video. See you.